Hello guys and welcome back to Almost Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to run in Jailbreak. I know there's a lot of people that have this glitch where they're not able to run and they can just use every other thing besides the L3 button, which is this one, which is the run button. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys are going to do is open up Jailbreak. And for this video I'm just going to be a police officer because it's a bit easy. Click play. Okay, so as you can see, look, I'm not able to run right now. I'm trying to move, but it's not letting me run. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the car, and I'm just gonna first, oh no, not that one, free one. Okay, see, this guy's in the way, so it's not letting me do it. But anyways, usually if you do wait a couple of minutes, it does fix by itself, but sometimes it doesn't as well. So the only method I know as of right now is to either wait it out, or you can spawn a car if you're like a police officer, and then you can start driving. You can start turning and stuff, and then yeah, you should be good to go from there. But obviously I can't do that right now because of this guy. But go ahead and try it out for yourself. Spawn a car and then check to see if it does work, and then any second now it should fix. But yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.